get started. This one right here, this is going to be a 2015 Toyota Tacoma Access Cab SR5. This is your V6 SR5 Access Cab for 2015. Take a look at that awesome front end on there. You do have fog lights, chrome grille up front, big bold grille as well. We've got a 16-inch cast aluminum wheel with a wide sidewall tire. That tire is going to be really a great tire for off-road and give you a nice smooth ride. Factory mud guards. As I said, it's the Access Cab edition. So you've got the full front door here, cloth interior, and then the side door. That's going to open up just like this. And like the old-fashioned suicide door look. This one does have all-weather floor mats right there. Cloth gray interior. Bright blue in color. Love the color on this truck. Toyota doesn't make a Tacoma in this color anymore. It's the SR5 V6 4x4 towing package, integrated bed liner, sliding rear window. Just a really great truck. 71,000 miles on this one, 2015. So it's going to be about an average mile vehicle at a 2015 was 71,000. This one's available for sale here on June 18th, 2021. Got a real shortage of used Toyota Tacoma pickups right now. So go ahead and stop by Smart Toyota Certified Used Cars here on Odana Road in Madison. Check it out. Take it for a spin. Thanks for watching.